Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be sharing with you all my latest pencil drawing of the popular Telugu actor Man of Masses, Junior NTR. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more such art videos. See you in the next one.